In this video, I will show you how to get Schwab debit card. So it is very easy to do. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first thing you need to do is open up this website charlesschwab.com/checking/debit card. So you have to open up this URL, and once you own this website, you will have this option called open a checking account. So once you click on that, this will ask you many informations. So you have to select the which account type you want to open, individual checking or the joint checking. So just select it, any type you want. Then it will ask you your personal details, so you just have to fill up all the details. So on this page, if you have a referral code or offer code, you can click here to enter this code here, or if you don't have, you can simply leave it blank and then click on this get started button. Now on this tab, you have to enter all of your personal details such as your first name, middle name, last name, and then is your current home address in your United States or US Virgin Islands. So just enter all of these details, date of birth, social security number, and then click on this continue button. Then it will ask you for your regulatory informations, and then under the features option you will get a option of debit card. So you just have to tick on that option, and once you complete your account creation process, you will get a debit card on your entered home address or the address that you filled on this application form in 2 to 3 weeks. So that is how you can get Schwab debit card. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.